Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after like skincare edit on CapCut PC. So you're just going to wanna sorry, my keyboard keycaps just went up, and then just copy and paste that. Go to mask and select horizontal, and you're just going to rotate it this way. And so for this one, you can just go to the enhance button, select face, and select the smooth part. So you're just basically smoothing out the right side. You can also brighten it so that people can like tell the difference, I guess. And then you can also delete like dark circles. And then in like facial beauty, well, you can't really do much for the skincare on this side, but you're just going to do that. If you want to, you can even select the even on this one, but this is like a pro feature, so you don't really have to do that. And that's pretty much it. You can see the before and like the after skincare in quotation. You can then go to default text and like type in like before maybe here, and then like the after on like this part. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.